lovely. So I'm back with another project that can pay you in turn. Yeah, I said I'm very intentional about looking for or researching on projects that pays you while you are still mining even before the list. And this is another one. Now you need to stay to the end of this video and see all the walkthrough, the step-by-step tutorial, so that you do not make mistake. Secondly, you need to join this particular project by the link I'll drop in the description box or in my first pinned comment. And the last thing is, you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel because 2025 we are going to know it right. We're going to end right. We are going to do it right. So this is the project. I'm going to click on start here. Once you click on start here, you click on start. It takes you, opens the app. It tells you welcome. Now you can see that this is still fresh. My username, your information, your Ton wallet. My Ton wallet is 0.00 star 0.00, and the coin is 0.00. Right? So I'll now click on launch. And immediately you click on launch, it will bring you to the web version on Telegram, within the Telegram app. And this is fun. This is fun. I love projects that you are mining and you're earning something. So if you're new to my vlog channel, my name is Susan, and this is where I share everything crypto trading updates, airdrop mining updates. I also share how to earn money on the side while you're waiting for that particular job or as a side hustle. I also share from time to time my no-fail commercial business recipes on cakes, small chops, food tray, commercial drinks, and so much more. So this is that channel that you want to stay subscribed to. So this is the interface. Now, if you log in, we click on the start and you launch this app, it's going to ask you, are you 18 years old upward? So you just click on yes and you start playing. So if you click on this end tab here, before the enter, let me show you what to do. You have to connect your wallet. Like I usually say, connect your wallet. You click on this wallet here, click on that wallet, and it asks you to connect your wallet. You can see that you can earn in Toin coin, you can earn silver stars and lots of coins. So I'm going to connect my wallet. You can also withdraw. You can withdraw and you can convert. You can see here, all year is showing 00 for me. Once I'm making my first withdrawal, as usual, I'll definitely show you guys. So this is that channel. This is that YouTube content creator that will not only show you what to do, but we also walk you through the process and will also do the process alongside with you and show you the end results. So if it's not working, I will still come back to say, hey guys, let's go to the next one. And if it's working, I say, hey guys, let's keep mining. So click on connect wallet. Once you click on connect wallet like this, it's going to ask you to choose. You have the options of choosing different wallets. You can use the Telegram wallet. If you are not new to my channel, you know I'm not a fan of Telegram wallets. I'm just going to click on TKeeper. And once you click on TKeeper, it's going to direct you to your TKeeper app, and it's going to ask to connect wallet, and then it's going to redirect you back to the app. And this is how some of the app people are using to get Ton for themselves, USDT for themselves, and silently cashing out. So this is it. My TKeeper is connected. You can see that it is connected. I haven't done any transaction yet. Like you see that here is showing you don't have any transaction, right? So I'll click on the end tab here and we'll go back to the end tab. So once I click on this end tab, it's going to say daily reward. To do yourself a favor by coming here every day to claim your free gifts every day and keep the streak going. So you see lottery wheel. When I click on this lottery wheel, it's going to ask me to like spin, right? So you have the opportunity to receive a random bonus every 6 hours. This is cool. Every 6 hours. If you can set your alarm or timer to always remind you to come back every 6 hours, that'll be great. So I cannot click on this ticket here. So I'm going to click on the ticket and I'm going to allow this roll. See, no more attempts again. Congratulations, I won this ticket. So the prize has been transferred to your wallet. Play this game every 6 hours and increase your chances of winning valuable reward. I'm going to click on got it, and I can try again in the next 6 hours, or I can pay 10 stars to try again. Now, I've shared on this channel, I've said it several times, there's a platform that is much more cheaper than Fragments, where you can buy cheap stars from. I've shared about three channels or 3 platforms where you can get cheap stars, but this particular one I've been using and I've been talking about is that particular channel that sells cheap stars, and it's within the Telegram app. You don't need any KYC, no limitations, and it's perfect. I also shared a very detailed video on how to buy stars with this Telegram within Telegram with this app. So I'm just going to click on, let me do free try. Let me see if it's going to go. Okay, complete all tasks to play. You have one of one. No, I'm not going to. I don't want to use that ticket, lottery ticket. So then I'm going to go back, and under this same end tab here, I'm going to look at the daily tax. This end tab, I'm going to look at this daily tax here. Now you just have to do all this. Look at what you get. Look at what you get. If you promote some blockchain, you get this one ticket. If you do a Telegram transaction, you get this golden ticket. Participate in 3 Lotty, claim all this, you keep getting, refer friends and all that. Then these ones are one-time tax. These are one-time tax. This particular one right here, you do them, you claim this for yourself. Then you come to the play tab. You come to the play dashboard. You click on this play dashboard. You come to that play dashboard, and once you click on it, you're going to see people that have actually earned in ton. This particular person has 6 tons, 8 tons, 2. Oh my god. So you don't want to sleep on this. You don't want to sleep on this. So you just need to click on, look at this, all this Lotty, or like all this card. Let me click on this play here, particular one. So free play, you can play with stars. You can play with stars. You can play with stars, or you can use your complete tax. You complete tax, and then you'll be able to play. Like subscribe to this particular place or this particular channel to be able to use it to play. So I will do that later on my own. So I'm just walking through the process. The ones you've completed anyone to show here, it reflects there that you've completed it. So if I click on mine, it's not going to show anything because I've not actually done any tax, right? I've not done any tax. So then this, if I click on the icon that shows my name, this particular icon, it will bring out the record, what you've played, the total wins, top wins, premium friends, and friends you've invited. So that's that. Then you click on this ticket here. Once you click on this ticket here, this ticket tab, you click on this ticket tabs, and it brings you here. It shows you how many tickets you have, either how many tickets you have if you invite your friends, and then how many premium friends you invited, how many tickets they have, and all that. So this is the one I got recently. So that might be my first withdrawal. I'm going to walk you guys through the process. But this is me telling you that yes, there are apps within Telegram that pays you while you mine, that pays you while you do simple tax, and you can withdraw your tokens. So if I click on this wallet and I click on withdraw, you can withdraw. I want to check the minimum withdrawal. If you have up to 1 ton, yes, you can withdraw 1 ton, a minimum of 1 ton. You can't withdraw lesser than 1 ton. You can withdraw 1 ton upward, right? And then you just come here, you write the amount of the ton, or you click on max. This is my wallet, it's already connected, and you check this box. And once you check this box, you can withdraw. You can also convert like your Lotty coins to, you can convert here. Once I'm doing all these processes, I'll walk you through. So this is another app within Telegram where you can earn while you're mining. So if this is something you are interested in, do me a big favor to subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notification bell, and also make sure you leave me a comment. I usually respond to my comments. Ask questions in the comment sections. No matter how many times you ask or you leave questions, I will definitely respond. Also join my Telegram channel, because that is where the real fun works. So see you in another subsequent video. Bye for now.